certainly visited the Wuhan Institute of Virology and other laboratories as well. We discussed with them their biosecurity protocols, their staff testing, their research and so on. And based on the evidence that we were given, we thought that a laboratory leak was unlikely, highly unlikely.
If you mean the Wuhan Virology Lab, that's a lot of nonsense, and it should be just thrown out straight away. Something starts somewhere, everywhere in the world. The last flu epidemic started in Mexico. There has to be an origin somewhere. And the idea that somehow China let the world down in letting this virus out is just a nonsense. It happens, and everyone has to pull together to deal with it.
We saw quite a bit of dissenting voices from the United States capitalizing on the fluidity of the situation to target, to profile, to malign, and to resort to name calling other than relying on science and rational basis into either finding the cause of the virus or mounting an international response.